AI-powered email segmentation strategies. 1. Behavioral segmentation. Divide email recipients into groups based on their behavior, such as openers versus non-openers, clickers versus non-clickers, converters versus non-converters, abandoners versus non-abandoners. 2. Demographic segmentation. Segment based on demographic characteristics, such as age, gender, location, job title, industry, customer type, e.g. new versus existing. 3. Firmographic segmentation. Segment based on company characteristics such as company size, revenue, industry, job function, department. 4. Psychographic segmentation. Segment based on psychological traits such as values, interests, lifestyle, personality traits, attitudes. 5. Predictive segmentation. Use AI-powered models to predict customer behavior, such as predictive lead scoring, customer churn prediction, predictive analytics for upselling and cross-selling. 6. Event-based segmentation. Segment based on specific events or triggers, such as birthday or anniversary, purchase milestones, e.g. first purchase, 10th purchase, abandoned cart or wish list. 7. Dynamic content segmentation. Segment based on dynamic content elements, such as product recommendations, location-based content, time-sensitive offers. 8. Hybrid segmentation. Combine multiple segmentation strategies to create a more nuanced and accurate segmentation. By using these AI-powered email segmentation strategies, you can increase engagement and conversion rates, improve the relevance and effectiveness of your email campaigns, enhance the overall customer experience.